Imagine this. It started as a simple favor. Nothing complicated. You've already paid $300. Then later, another $500. Now someone comes back to you and says, just top up $1,000 more and everything will be solved. You pause. Something feels wrong. But then a thought hits you. If I don't pay this $1,000, I'll lose the $800 I already paid. Your chest tightens. You're not relaxed anymore. You're not thinking clearly. Right now, you are standing inside a sunk cost trap. Let's slow this moment down. At first, $300 didn't feel dangerous. You told yourself, let's try. Then came $500. Still manageable. Still hopeful. Now it's $1,000. And notice something important. The decision you're facing right now is no longer about opportunity. It's about fear. Fear of losing. Fear of regret. Fear of admitting, I made a mistake. This is where many people go wrong. Because the $800 you already paid has a powerful hold on your emotions. But here is the uncomfortable truth. That $800 is already gone. Whether you pay another $1,000 or not, the past cannot be changed. This money is called a sunk cost. A sunk cost is money, time, or effort that has already been spent and cannot be recovered, no matter what you do next. Smart decision makers ignore sunk costs. Emotional decision makers chase them. Right now, your mind is saying, I can't stop now. I've already invested too much. What if this time it works? But ask yourself this, honestly. Forget the $800 for a moment. Imagine this is a brand new situation. Someone comes to you today and asks, would you pay $1,000 right now for this? If the answer is no, then paying $1,000 now is also the wrong decision. The past does not justify the future. This decision hurts because money is not the real issue. The real pain is embarrassment, disappointment, broken trust, and wounded pride. Walking away feels like failure. But listen carefully. Continuing a bad decision does not fix it. It only makes the loss bigger. Paying $1,000 does not protect your $800. It risks turning $800 into $1,800. Stopping feels painful once. Continuing can hurt again, and again, and again. If something feels wrong, if the story keeps changing, if the pressure keeps increasing, you stop. You accept the $800 as a lesson, not a punishment, not stupidity, a lesson. That $800 did not buy success, but it can buy something far more valuable, clarity. And clarity saves you from repeating the same mistake in the future. Remember this rule for life. Make decisions based on future value, not past cost. The moment you stop chasing sunk costs, that's the moment you start making calm, strong, intelligent decisions. If this situation felt familiar, you are not weak. You are human. And now, you are wiser.